Hey, are you a realtor wondering what to do with your business in 2025?
You really want to listen to all the technology advice.
What that's the answer. All the leaders. If you're in the real estate industry, you're going to have to step your game up in 2023, regardless of what market you're in. So make sure that the brokerage you choose is something you're going to be able to use for your business to leverage and grow. And what LPT Realty does for their realtors is like no other. From the listing power packs and marketing that they provide, to the empowerment of the agent as educator or student, forming bonds and relationship with professionals of all different levels within the industry, and giving realtors the access to some of our industry leaders to learn from. This is LPT Realty. I'll see you there. If you want more information, get into the description and click on my contact information. I'd love to tell you more.